Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to your TV. We will cover two primary methods: a simple wired connection using a USB cable and a wireless setup via Bluetooth. You'll learn how to get your controller ready for gaming, troubleshoot common issues, and even optimize your television settings for the best possible experience. Let's get started. Connecting your PS4 controller directly to your TV with a USB cable is the simplest method. Just take a standard micro USB cable and plug one end into your controller. Then, connect the other end into an available USB port on your television. Your controller should immediately become active, allowing you to navigate your TV's menus or compatible apps. This wired connection also ensures a stable link and charges your controller simultaneously. For a wireless experience, you'll use Bluetooth. First, navigate to your TV settings menu and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, grab your PS4 controller and simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar on your controller will begin to flash white, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your TV, select Add Device or Pair Accessory and choose Wireless Controller from the list to complete the connection. If you encounter issues, first ensure your controller is fully charged. For wired connections, try a different micro USB cable, as some only charge and don't transfer data. A common fix is to reset the controller. Use a small pin to press the recessed button near the L2 trigger for 5 seconds. Finally, to optimize your gaming, enable game mode in your TV's picture settings. This can significantly reduce input lag, making your gameplay much more responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.